To make money on Fiverr, a platform connecting freelancers with clients seeking various services, follow these steps. Profile setup. Create a detailed and appealing profile. Highlight your skills, expertise, and experience relevant to the services you offer. Create gigs. Offer services by creating gigs. Each gig represents a service you can provide. Write clear, concise, and engaging descriptions. Set competitive pricing and include extras clients can opt for. Quality portfolio. Showcase your work through a portfolio. Include examples of past projects, which will help clients understand your capabilities. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags. This improves your gig's visibility in search results. Professional communication. Respond promptly and professionally to client inquiries. Good communication builds trust. Deliver quality. When you receive orders, deliver high-quality work on time. Satisfying clients can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Upselling. Offer additional services or package deals to clients, enhancing your income per order. Receive reviews. Positive reviews and ratings are crucial. Aim to provide exceptional service to earn positive feedback. Promote gigs. Share your gigs on social media, blogs, or forums to increase visibility. Continuous improvement. Adapt to market trends, learn new skills, and evolve your services to stay competitive. Consistency. Consistent effort is key. As you accumulate positive reviews and build your reputation, your earnings potential can increase.